Hi, third graders. Today I'm just going to talk to you a little bit about multi-step addition problems. So here we have word problem D, and it says Bradley has 324 baseball cards in his collection. Daniel has 129 more cards than Bradley. How many cards does Daniel have? So what do we know? And what do we want to find out? So we know that Bradley has 324 baseball cards. And we know that Daniel has more, and he has 129 more than Bradley. Okay. And so we have to use that information to find out what we want to know. And what we want to know is how many cards does Daniel have? Well, we see the word more in the story problem, so we know that this is going to be addition. So Bradley has 324 cards and Daniel has 129 more. Daniel doesn't have 129, but he has 129 more cards than Bradley. So we want to add those two numbers up to find how many cards that Daniel has. Daniel has 453 cards. 9 plus 4 is 13. We put the 3 down here in the ones place and we carry the 1 in the tens place, regrouping it. And then we have 2 plus 2 is a double, 4, plus 1 is 5, and then 3 plus 1 is 4, so 493. That's what that question is asking, but if I wanted to make it a step further and take it a step further, I would ask, how many do Bradley and Daniel have together? Let's work on that now. Get your whiteboards out and marker and let's work this problem out.